Witness the dawn of harvest as skilled hands gather nature's sweet bounty. Skilled hands meticulously select each strawberry for peak ripeness. Freshly harvested strawberries begin their journey to the processing facility. Freshly harvested strawberries arrive, ready for their journey through the state-of-the-art facility. The gentle conveyor system begins the journey, carefully releasing fresh strawberries into purified water for cleaning. Lightning-fast automated washing and optical sorting. Strawberries begin their journey guided by precise channels for thorough cleaning. Gentle water jets meticulously clean each berry, ensuring pristine quality. Emerging from their cleansing, each strawberry begins a journey of meticulous inspection. Skilled American workers diligently ensure only the finest strawberries proceed. Only perfect, pristine strawberries advance to the next stage. Our expert team ensures every strawberry meets the highest standards from the very start. Advanced optical technology precisely examines each strawberry, ensuring consistent quality precision. Scanning identifies each strawberry, preparing them for tailored processing. Precision machinery expertly positions each strawberry for its transformation. How the stems are removed in under 1 second per berry. A precision blade descends with surgical accuracy. The newly hulled berries are gently moved along the conveyor for further processing. Our skilled teams meticulously inspect each strawberry, ensuring only the finest quality moves forward. Every strawberry undergoes rigorous inspection, guaranteeing perfect ripeness for consumer satisfaction. Any imperfection is swiftly identified and removed, maintaining our unwavering quality standards. Only the finest, perfectly inspected strawberries are cleared for the next stage of production. Strawberries arrive, precisely positioned for automated processing. Robotic mechanisms meticulously descend, beginning the delicate preparation. Our advanced robotics ensure maximum yield with unparalleled precision. Precision machinery expertly begins the delicate process of strawberry preparation. With remarkable accuracy, the machine processes each perfect ruby red berry. The pristine fruit is then prepared for its next stage, ensuring peak freshness and quality. Stems and leaves are carefully separated, minimizing waste for a sustainable future. Advanced machinery precisely removes any remaining debris, ensuring only pure fruit continues its journey. Precisely engineered systems allow stems and leaves to fall away without harming the delicate strawberry flesh. Below, a steady stream of separated stems is collected, ready for composting. Extracting 100% pure strawberry juice at 800 fruits per minute. The now pristine strawberry pulp smoothly exits the system, ready for the next stage. In the Advanced Quality Control Lab, experts ensure every batch meets stringent purity standards. On the light table, every fiber of pulp is scrutinized for purity. Through diligent examination, even the smallest imperfections are identified and removed. The prepared strawberry pulp begins its journey into the innovative cold press system. Pressure builds slowly, extracting pure strawberry juice without any heat. Skilled operators meticulously monitor every stage, ensuring pristine quality. The pure essence of strawberry, perfectly extracted and ready for the next stage. From pristine strawberries, the pure, vibrant juice begins its journey. Every drop of juice is a testament to quality, carefully extracted for purity. Fresh strawberry juice begins its purification journey, flowing into the advanced pasteurization system. In a sterile environment, a skilled technician meticulously monitors critical temperature and flow rates. Precision adjustments ensure optimal pasteurization, safeguarding the juice's quality and freshness. The perfectly pasteurized strawberry juice emerges, ready for its next step toward bottling. Precision begins as sterile bottles enter the automated line, ready for pure strawberry juice. Sealed for freshness, each bottle is meticulously capped, preserving the juice's natural goodness. Ready for distribution. Each bottle embodies the meticulous care of our automated production. Precision robotics ensure every bottle is perfectly sealed, preserving freshness. Labels are applied with absolute precision, ensuring brand consistency and perfect alignment, turning the flesh into perfect berry pieces. The automated line ensures rapid, high-volume production, a testament to modern manufacturing. Skilled hands meticulously prepare whole strawberries for the slicing process. Strawberries enter the slicing machine ready for precise transformation. Precision blades descend, transforming the berries into perfectly uniform slices. The slices are then cross-cut, creating perfect, consistent strawberry pieces, freeze-drying into crunchy, intense flavor strawberry chips. Each perfectly sliced piece signifies meticulous precision, ensuring premium quality, making viral strawberry mochi, gummies, and sparkling drinks. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee quality, ensuring only the finest pieces proceed. The continuous stream of perfect pieces moves towards its final destination. Skilled American workers meticulously examine each piece, ensuring only the finest quality of strawberry proceeds. Every vibrant piece undergoes rigorous scrutiny, ensuring uniform size and peak freshness. Dedicated hands swiftly remove any imperfections, upholding the highest standards of production. Across the line, every individual's focus collectively upholds the brand's unwavering commitment to excellence. Precision starts here as perfectly sliced strawberry pieces are prepared for automated weighing. Luxury strawberry cake rolls and dessert packaging. Automated systems ensure each container receives the exact fresh portion of strawberry. Each sealed container, a testament to freshness, moves swiftly towards distribution. Precision guides each succulent strawberry piece into its container, ensuring perfect quality from the start. Final products shipped worldwide in under 24 hours. Each container undergoes a final visual check, guaranteeing only the best proceeds to seal it. With expert care, every pack is precisely positioned for its journey to final seal and delivery. Precision machinery applies a clear, protective film, sealing in the freshness of each strawberry. Precision robotics efficiently package fresh strawberry juice into branded six-packs, ensuring quality and speed. At the final station, the expert begins the meticulous inspection to ensure every product meets our stringent quality standards. Each label is meticulously checked for accuracy, reflecting our commitment to clear and honest product information. Every detail matters in upholding the superior quality and safety our customers expect. Precision and efficiency guide every finished pack to its final destination. Precision robotics carefully package each perfectly clean strawberry for shipping. Sealed for freshness, each package guarantees pristine delivery from farm to consumer. Automated precision ensures perfect stacking for secure transport. Carefully stored, the fresh strawberries await their journey to consumers.